Good morning, Minnewaska. I'm here wanting to connect on the March 18th day. That is a potential flex day for you. And so on March 18th, you can either come into the office that day as professional development time, or you can complete your day early and then spend your time as you wish. I know that that's a big travel day for many with it butted up against spring break. So the curriculum that we are really working on is still continuing on that whole guaranteed and viable curriculum that we talked about earlier. Aloha Huber Schools out in Washington is the video that we watched earlier. That video link is here. You can see exactly what that means a guaranteed and viable curriculum is. And so as we go forward, today's work or the day for March 18th is really taking the essential learning outcomes, vocabulary, and assessments and aligning those. And so if you've been unpacking standards, which I know my group has been doing, it takes some of that work and make sure that your assessment is all the way there. And so when you do that, you will complete a sheet. So you will create a copy of this sheet. You will write the course name here, the vocabulary assessment alignment, make sure your name is on it. And then there are directions of the standard, a decision of why was it an essential learning outcome or why is it? Then answer all the questions as you go forward. And so each standard or each essential learning outcome will be here, not each standard, but each one that you have determined is most important. Then after you complete that, you will move into, if you complete that, you will move into what is the pacing guide. And so our goal is that we will have our district pacing guides as a district by month out by the end of the school year. So once you click onto the pacing guide, you can see where you're at. So if you are a kindergarten teacher, what are the main pieces that will happen in ELA in September and all the way through the year? So this might be by topic, this might be by standard, however that is, but we want to know just in friendly language, what is it that will be the main focus during that time? Those are two tasks. They are not short tasks, so I encourage you to get started on them right away. We know that this could be really concerning to you or might need some additional support. And so we've identified 3 days in January, in the next 2 weeks, that we will be supporting teachers on this. And we will be in the High School Media Center if you need something. So January 11th, January 17th, and January 19th, all from 3:15 to 5:15. We will be here, or someone will be in the Media Center to help support you. And then again, this is due on February 22nd. If you have questions, please let me know. All of your links should be in here of understanding, but if you have any questions, please reach out and I would be happy to help you. Thanks, guys. Look forward to seeing what we have all put together for Guaranteed and Viable Curriculum. I think we're well on our way and have done a really nice job so far. Have a great day.